Hi, I'm Christy Neidhart. Welcome to 101 Hillsmere Court here on the Eastport Peninsula. We're about a block away from Quiet Waters Park. Come on inside, let's take a look. Welcome to One Level Living in Annapolis. Just outside the Hillsmere community, peninsula in between the Severn and South Rivers. Large open floor plan, hardwood floors. Expansive kitchen, apron sink, skylights. Go back to the laundry and half bath. Beautiful wood-burning brick fireplace with space to store wood next to it. Large coat closet, craftsman door. Let's check out the other side of the house. Go back to the bedroom wing. 3 large bedrooms. Back to the 4th bedroom, the master suite, walk-in closet, vaulted ceilings. Master bath with separate soaking tub and shower, exposed brick wall. Lower levels, a huge open rec room, new carpet throughout. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. For more information on this home, visit our website at thekn-team.com or call us at 410-599-1370. Welcome home.